they be kind? I asked my husband. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Hurry up. Mean words and grumpy faces, hitting out and stomping feet. Sit up straight. Close your mouth when you chew. Say please. Say thank you. Say you're sorry. But will they be kind? I inquired. When my son was 6, we were downtown visiting friends. As we got off the subway, we saw this old, disheveled man propped up in the door frame of a building. My son had a lot of questions, of which I didn't know any of the answers. After much thought, he asked if I could loan him $2. He had it at home to pay me back. And he hesitantly dropped that toonie in this unknown man's paper cup. I was super sick with the flu, and after a much needed shower, I sat on the floor exhausted. My 8-year-old daughter blow-dried my hair, and her little palms wiped my wet hair off my forehead to get it out of my eyes. You're going to be late. You forgot your lunch again. Did you do your homework? Say please. Say thank you. Say you're sorry. But will they be kind? I asked. Our children saw us open doors for people, help a stranger with directions, pick up the neighbor's garbage that had blown all over the street. Once when I was picking them up from school, there was another mother quite distraught. She had to fly back to Korea for an emergency for a couple of weeks, and she didn't know what to do with her daughter. I said her daughter could stay with us. I didn't know them. They didn't know us. But I did know her daughter needed a safe place to be. Put your phone away. Get up. Hurry up. Door slamming, silent treatment, rolling eyes, and talking back. But will they be kind? I questioned. As a family, we helped plant trees in the local ravine and also helped tidy it up. We visited relatives who didn't speak much English, just because we knew it made them happy. Will they be kind? My son helped out a friend, scared that he would get into trouble, but knowing it was the right thing to do. My daughter sold cookies for charity, even though it was very uncomfortable for a shy kid in high school. What we need to know is that it's our kindness within and our willingness to take this kindness out into our world that matters. Our children don't need to be taught kindness, but shown the way. Aren't our kids kind humans? I told my husband the other night.